everyone, and welcome back to Native English Podcast, where learning English is easy, natural, and fun. I'm Sarah.
And I'm John. It is so good to be back here with everyone today.
How are you doing today, John?
I am great, thank you. I am actually really happy today.
Oh, wow. Happy? Why are you happy?
The sun is shining outside. I love sunny days. They just make everything feel better. And you, Sarah, how are you?
I am very good, thanks. I'm happy too, actually. And I am excited.
Excited? Why excited?
Because of our topic today. It is a really big topic.
Oh, a big topic. Okay, what is it?
Today, we are talking about how to train your brain to think and speak in English.
Wow, that really is a big topic. Train my brain. That sounds intense.
It sounds big, but do not worry. Think of it like exercise for your brain.
Exercise. Okay. Is it difficult?
No. It is not difficult at all. It's actually easy, and it's fun.
Easy and fun. Okay, now I am definitely ready. Let's go.
That's great. But wait, before we start...
Oh yes, before we start, everyone, we have a small request from us to you.
Yes, if you enjoy our show, please click the like button.
Yes, the little thumbs up button. And please subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode.
Subscribing is really important. It helps us keep making more shows for you.
And share this episode with your family and your friends.
Yes, share it with everyone you know who is learning English. Okay, now I am truly ready. Train my brain. Let's do this.
Okay, let's start. So, Sarah, when you speak English, what happens inside your head?
What do you mean exactly?
Like when you think of something to say, what do you think first?
Ah, I understand. Well, many learners think first in their own language.
Yes, like I think a word in my language first.
And then you translate it inside your head.
Exactly. I translate and then I speak the English word. I know many students do this.
And it works, yes, but it is slow.
Yes, it is very slow. My brain is working so hard just for one sentence.
It is a lot of hard work, and our goal, our big happy goal, is to think directly in English.
Think in English? Wow, no translating?
No translating, just English going straight from your brain to your mouth.
That sounds so fast and so free.
It is. It is fast and it feels natural, like breathing almost.
Okay, I want this. I really want this. So how do we start?
We start small.
Small. Okay.
Very, very small, actually.
Like one word small?
One word is a start, but a small sentence is even better.
A sentence. That still sounds kind of big.
No, very small. Look, I have a pen.
Yes, you have a pen.
In my head, I do not just think the word pen.
No?
No, I think this is my pen, or my pen is blue.
Ah, I see. A tiny little sentence. This is my pen.
Exactly. Good example, John. See, you're already doing it.
I am. Okay, so small sentences in my head all day long.
Yes, all day. It sounds like a lot, but it's actually very easy once you start. For example, in the morning when you wake up.
Okay, I wake up, I stretch, the morning light is coming in.
Yes, and what do you think in English?
I am awake.
Perfect. Or maybe, I am tired. I need coffee.
Yes, I need coffee. That one is very easy to remember.
I go to the kitchen. I open the door. I turn on the light.
Wow, this is it? This is training my brain?
Yes, John, this is exactly it. You are thinking in English sentences. You're connecting English to your real life, not to your own language.
English life, no translation. I love it. Okay, so for example, in the bathroom, I brush my teeth. The water is cold today.
Yes, perfect.
I look in the mirror. I look very handsome this morning.
Very good, John. Keep going.
I see my face. I am ready for the day. Wow, I like this tip.
That is tip number 1. Think in small sentences. When you're at home, when you're on the bus.
On the bus, I see a window. I see a red car outside. A woman is walking fast. It is a cloudy day.
Wow, John, you are doing so well.
I am. I'm actually thinking in English right now. It feels different.
Different but good, right?
Yes, different but really good. Like a new muscle waking up.
That's a beautiful way to say it. You're connecting English directly to your life and your world, not to your language.
English life, no translation. I love it. Okay, tip 1. Think in small sentences all day. I am talking to Sarah. Sarah is a great teacher.
Thank you, John. You are a great student. Okay, are you ready for tip number 2?
I am ready. Let's go.
Tip number 2 is input.
Input. What is input exactly?
Input is English going in.
Ah, English comes in through my ears.
Yes, through your ears and through your eyes, too.
So listening is input.
Yes, listening. And watching, too.
Like this podcast. Listening to this podcast is input.
Yes, Paul, exactly like this podcast. Great idea.
We are good input.
We are great input. When you listen to easy, natural English, your brain starts to hear the patterns.
Patterns, like the shapes of sentences.
Yes, like I am, you are, he has, we go. The brain hears them again and again.
The rhythm, like music almost.
Oh, what a perfect word. Yes, the music of English. When you hear the rhythm enough times, it starts to feel natural.
So listening gives my brain food. English food.
Exactly. English food for your brain. And a fed brain learns faster.
I like English food. So what should I listen to?
Well, native English podcast, of course.
Of course, number 1 choice. What else?
Simple songs are wonderful. Music you enjoy.
I like music. All kinds.
Find simple English songs that you genuinely like. When you love the music, listening becomes fun. It doesn't feel like studying at all.
Ah, yes. Fun is the best way. If it's fun, I keep doing it. If it's boring, I stop.
Exactly. And some pop songs are very repetitive. The same words come back and again.
Repetitive, yes. Like a love song. The words repeat and repeat until your brain just absorbs them.
And before you know it, you know the words. You know the patterns. You didn't even try to memorize them.
Wow, that's sneaky, but I love it. Okay, music. What else for input?
Watching. Input for your eyes.
Watching videos. Like what kind?
Movies are good, but sometimes they're very fast. The words come too quickly.
Yes, too fast. Like the words are flying past and I can't catch them.
So start with something simpler, something you personally enjoy watching. What do you like, John?
I really like cooking, and I like travel, too.
Perfect. Find simple cooking videos in English, short ones.
Oh, good idea. The person says, I see the tomato, I pick up the knife, I cut the tomato slowly.
Yes, and while you watch, you see the action and you hear the English word at the same time.
So the word and the action connect in my brain. I do not need to translate, I just see and understand.
Exactly. That is the magic of watching things you enjoy in English.
And I love football too. I could watch short football clips in English.
Yes, he kicks the ball, the crowd goes wild, it is a goal.
Haha, yes, I understand all of that. And because I love football, I am not bored. I want to keep watching.
Your brain is happy, and a happy brain learns so much faster.
Okay, so input means listen to simple podcasts and simple music, and watch simple videos about things I love.
Cooking, sports, travel, whatever makes you excited.
This is not studying. This is just enjoying life in English. I like this very much.
That is exactly the right feeling. Okay, tip 1, small sentences. Tip 2, input. Are you ready for tip 3?
Oh, wow, there's a tip 3? Yes, I am absolutely ready.
Tip 3 is output.
Output, okay. Input is English going in. Output is English coming out.
Yes, English coming out of you, like speaking.
But Sarah, what if I am alone? I have nobody to talk to. My friends do not speak English.
You have yourself.
Speak to myself?
Yes, speak to yourself.
People will think I have gone a little crazy.
Do it in your room, in the car, in the shower. Nobody will hear you.
In the shower. Actually, that's a great idea. The shower is private. I can say anything.
It's honestly one of the best places to practice. Your ears hear your own voice. Your brain gets used to forming English sentences out loud.
But what do I actually say? I cannot just stand there.
Look around your room. Look at the things around you.
Okay, my room. I see a bed.
Describe it. Say it out loud. Full sentences.
This is my room. I see a bed. The bed is comfortable. I have a wooden table near the window. The table is brown. There are 2 chairs.
Wonderful. Keep going.
A lamp in the corner. The lamp is on. It gives warm light. I have a bookshelf with some books. Wow, this feels strange, but really good.
How does your brain feel right now?
It is working. It is searching for words, but it is not translating. I see the lamp and I say lamp. I see the book and I say book.
Yes, you are connecting the object directly to the English word. No translation in the middle.
This is real training. This is how English builds inside my brain.
And you can also talk about your day at night before you sleep.
Like, today was a good day. I woke up early. I had eggs for breakfast. I talked to my colleague Marcus at work.
Yes, and Marcus said something funny and you laughed.
Haha, exactly. Marcus is always funny. And I walked home because the weather was beautiful.
Perfect. That is output. That is speaking. And you did not need a partner for any of that.
I did it alone. Just me and my brain working together.
A partner is wonderful and very helpful, but you do not need one to begin. You can start today, alone, right now.
I can start with myself. Tip 3. Speak to yourself. Describe your world. Talk about your day.
What are you doing right now? Say it out loud. I am sitting on my sofa. I am listening to a podcast. I am learning English.
I am learning and it feels great. Haha, yes, this is output.
Beautiful. Okay, John, let's do a quick review because we have covered a lot today.
Yes, good idea. Let's bring it all together.
Tip 1.
Think in small sentences all day long, not just single words, but little sentences. I am walking to the kitchen. The coffee smells good. Small, simple, natural.
Yes, connect English directly to your daily life. No translation in the middle. Tip 2.
Input. Listen to things I enjoy in English. This podcast, simple songs, music I actually like. And watch things I enjoy. Short cooking videos, football highlights, travel videos.
Easy English that feels fun, not like hard studying. And tip 3.
Output. Speak. Talk to myself out loud. Describe my room. Describe my morning. Talk about my day before I sleep. Use English to live, not just to study.
Perfect summary, John. You said that so well.
I am learning. But Sarah, can I ask something?
Of course.
Can my brain change fast? Will I be fluent next week?
I love that you asked that. The honest answer is no. Learning a language takes time. It is slow.
Oh, okay.
But that is completely okay. Be patient with yourself.
Be patient. Okay, I can do that.
Be kind to your brain. It is working very hard for you.
Hello, brain. Thank you for working hard. I appreciate you. Okay.
Exactly. And do it every day. Even 5 minutes counts.
5 minutes, not 5 hours?
5 minutes every day is so much better than 5 hours once a week. Consistency is everything.
Small steps every single day. I like that. It doesn't sound scary.
And what about mistakes? Because everyone is afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, I say something wrong and I want to disappear.
I understand that feeling, but mistakes are actually good.
Good, really?
Mistakes are completely normal. Mistakes mean you're trying. Mistakes mean you're learning.
So when I say something wrong, I do not stop. I just say, oh, okay, let me try again.
Exactly. You try again. You move forward. You do not give up.
I will be brave. I will speak even when I'm not sure.
And most importantly, have fun. Always have fun.
Yes, if it's not fun, I will not keep doing it. But watching cooking videos is fun. Listening to music I love is fun. Talking to you, Sarah, is definitely fun.
And talking to you is fun for me too, John. Wow, this has been such a great episode.
My brain actually feels bigger. Is that possible?
Your English brain is growing, and that is a wonderful thing.
Sarah, this was a really great episode. Thank you for all these tips.
Thank you, John. You asked wonderful questions and gave great examples. I think everyone listening learned a lot today.
I hope so. And everyone, if this helped you today,
please do not forget to subscribe so you never miss a future episode.
And share this with a friend who is also learning English. Share the fun, share the progress. Dear learners, before we end this session, we have a small request for you.
Oh yes, John, thanks for the reminder. We've left a pinned comment for you.
After the session, please read the pinned comment and reply to it.
And yes, share your feedback. Tell us which words or topics you want in the next episodes.
We read every single comment and always try to reply.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone. Keep going, keep practicing, keep being brave.
It was so much fun hanging out with you. We will see you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.